So, example 1 for chapter 3.1. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is un equals 55 minus 2n. Write down the first 5 terms of the sequence. So let's just make sure we've understood the notation correctly. So u1 is equal to 55 minus 2 lots of 1. Yeah, so n, the position, gives us the position of the term, and we then substitute 1 in for n. So we get 53. So u2 is 55 minus 2 lots of 2 is 51, etc. So u3, subtract off another 2 is 49. u4, subtract off another 2 is 47, because they're the common differences. And u5, subtract off another 2 is 45. Part B. u99 equals 55 minus 2 lots of 99. So we've got 55 minus 198. So that gives us negative 143. Yeah, that looks right. Part C, find the first term in the sequence that is negative. So the first term in the sequence that is negative. So let's interpret that algebraically. So un has got to be less than 0. Set up your inequality. Set up inequality from question. Substitute into the inequality. Yeah, that's our key thinking. So we substitute in, we've got 55 minus 2n. So 55 minus 2n is less than 0. So we want our subject to be positive, so let's add it across. So 55 is less than 2n. So 55 over 2 is less than n. So n is an integer. So since n is a member of the set of integers, it's a position, it's a whole number. What do we want? The first term in the sequence that is negative. So that must be n equal to 28. And then we can substitute n in. So u28, because it asks for the sequence, is 55 minus 2 lots of 28 equals minus 1. We could actually have answered the question very quickly, just intuitively, because it basically says the first negative, we could have had first negative number, the first number less than 0, all the numbers are odd, 53, 51 going down in 2, so we must end up at negative 1 as the first one. But the question could have required us to do the sort of maths we've done if it'd been asked in a slightly cleverer way. But there we go.